Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a no-sew Kente cloth pillow. For this project, I'll be using Kente inspired cloth that I got from Joann's Fabrics, as well as fabric glue, a mini iron, and also heat bond fabric tape. Please see the description box below for more details. So for this project, I decided to make a 14 by 14 inch pillow. So I'm going to be cutting the fabric in a 16 by 16 inch square, and then I'm going to fold down the edges of the fabric in a 1/2 inch perimeter around the pillowcase. And now I'm going around the perimeter of my pillowcase with fabric glue. And I'm going to suggest that if you do this project, please use fabric glue. I've seen other people do no-sew pillows, and I've seen them use E6000 glue and hot glue. I don't recommend that. It can come out bulky. It doesn't stick very well. So please use fabric glue for fabrics, and use the bonding web with an iron, and you will get a more secure, professional looking bond with your pillowcase. So here you can see I'm using about a 16-inch zipper. The zipper was a little too long, and I think it'd be better to use a shorter zipper for the pillowcase. So for making a 14-inch pillow, then I would suggest using about a 12-inch zipper because it would fit better inside of the pillowcase. So after I let the glue dry, I used an iron to go over the pillowcase to secure the bond between the fabric tape and both sides of the pillowcase. And then I waited about a day just to make sure that everything cured properly. So here you have it. So this is pretty much the pillowcase, but I decided to go ahead and stuff the pillowcase with polyfill. And yes, if you're curious, this polyfill is from the box that has been sitting in the back of my shed for forever. So if you guys see my previous videos, you've noticed that there's a giant box of polyfill that's been sitting in the background. So this is for that. So now I'm going to put it to proper use. Thank you all for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, share, and hit the notification button.